In recent months, events have begun unfolding in the technology world that, just a year ago, would have seemed impossible even to the most daring Silicon Valley analysts. Insiders from the semiconductor industry, former Tesla employees, and several sources close to xAI are increasingly saying that Elon Musk is preparing to make the most dangerous and most ambitious move of his career, to completely rewrite the rules of the global AI race. And this is no longer just about a new chatbot, a new Tesla car, or even Optimus robots. According to several technology publications, including Bloomberg, The Information and Semi-Analysis, the Musk empire is allegedly nearing completion of a new generation of AI chips capable of surpassing NVIDIA, Google, and even OpenAI's closed accelerators in computational power and AI training efficiency. And if even part of these rumors turns out to be true, the world may be on the brink of the biggest technological shift since the rise of the internet. Today, almost the entire artificial intelligence industry depends on NVIDIA. Virtually every major AI service, every neural network, and every supercomputer runs on Jensen Huang's GPU. OpenAI uses NVIDIA, Microsoft uses NVIDIA, Meta uses NVIDIA, Amazon, Google, and Anthropic are all tied to American AI accelerator supply chains. But the problem is that Elon Musk has never liked relying on other people's technology. When Tesla lacked batteries, he built Gigafactory. When SpaceX could not buy the engines it needed, he started building them himself. When Tesla hit the limits of conventional chips for autonomous driving, the company developed its own FSD chip. And now, it seems Musk has decided to go further than anyone else and build a full-cycle computational ecosystem that could not only compete with NVIDIA, but potentially destroy its dominance. According to sources close to xAI, the company has long had a secret program codenamed Titan Core. This, insiders say, is the name of Musk's new generation of AI accelerators being developed jointly by engineers from Tesla, xAI, and former Apple Silicon specialists. Some analysts believe these chips may be an evolution of the Dojo architecture, but in a significantly more powerful and scalable form. The key difference is not just raw computational power. According to rumors, Musk is betting on a completely different philosophy of AI training, not simply increasing the number of GPUs, but creating a unified AI ecosystem where every component is optimized for a specific task. Optimus robots, Tesla robotaxis, Starlink satellites, Grok, SpaceX systems, and even future Martian colonies. Semi-analysis sources claim that xAI is already discussing clusters consisting of millions of next-generation AI accelerators. To understand the scale, today even the most powerful AI supercomputers in the world contain tens or hundreds of thousands of GPUs. 1 million AI chips would already represent planetary-scale infrastructure. Some engineers call this a digital brain of civilization. Elon Musk is allegedly convinced that only such computational power can enable AGI, artificial general intelligence at human or superhuman level. Moreover, some insiders claim that this is exactly why Musk is building massive next-generation data centers, referred to inside the company as terafab. According to unconfirmed information, terafab is not just a data center, it is a full-scale computation factory. Massive complexes the size of a small city, filled with rows of liquid-cooled AI systems connected by ultra-high-speed optical channels. One such facility is allegedly already under construction near xAI infrastructure in the United States. Inside the company, people say terafab is meant to become a gigafactory for intelligence. If Gigafactory produced batteries, then terafab will produce computational power. And the scale of energy consumption of these facilities is already raising concerns among American energy experts. Some analysts suggest that a single terafab could consume more electricity than an entire large city. And this is where things become even more interesting, because Musk, unlike most competitors, controls almost every key component of the future AI empire. He has Tesla, the world's largest source of real-world driving data. Millions of Tesla vehicles continuously record video, driver behavior, road situations, and weather conditions. He has X, a massive social network with a constant stream of text, news, conflicts, and human emotions. He has Starlink, the largest satellite internet system in history. He has SpaceX, a company already launching more payload into space than many countries combined. And now, on top of that, Optimus and new AI chips are being added. If all of this is truly integrated into a single infrastructure, Musk would gain something no other company in the world has: a vertically integrated AI civilization. Some former OpenAI employees openly say that Musk may become the most dangerous player in the AI race, not because he has the best chatbot today, but because he is building the ability to train AI simultaneously on Tesla road data, X social data, Optimus robot data, voice commands, camera feeds, Starlink satellite data, and even SpaceX simulations. In effect, this is the creation of an artificial intelligence that understands not only text, like today's models, but the physical world itself, and that is an entirely different level. One Morgan Stanley analyst recently stated that Tesla is gradually transforming not into a car company, but into an AI infrastructure at planetary scale. And given what is happening, this may not be an exaggeration. According to rumors, Musk's next-generation chips will use a completely new system of memory and data transfer between accelerators. Today, the main problem in AI clusters is not only computation, but also the speed of communication between GPUs. NVIDIA addresses this with NVLink and expensive server racks. But insiders claim that xAI is allegedly testing an optical interconnect architecture between chips, where data is transmitted via light instead of electrical signals. If this is true, latency between AI nodes could drop significantly, while energy consumption could be substantially reduced. Some engineers call this an internet inside a supercomputer. There are also increasing rumors that Musk wants to integrate AI accelerators directly into Tesla Optimus infrastructure. This means future robots could perform part of their computations locally, without constant cloud connection. Imagine a robot capable of analyzing the surrounding world in real time, learning new actions, and instantly sharing experience with millions of other robots via Starlink. In effect, this is a form of collective machine intelligence. And this is where many experts begin to talk about danger, because if even half of these technologies work as intended, humanity could face the largest leap in automation in history. Robots could replace millions of people not only in factories, but also in logistics, construction, medicine, transportation, and even programming. Some Goldman Sachs analysts have already warned that AI could affect hundreds of millions of jobs worldwide. But until now, the focus was mostly on digital professions. Now, there is a possibility that, thanks to Optimus and Musk's AI chips, automation will move into the physical world as well. That is why many governments are now closely monitoring xAI and Tesla. In Washington, concern is growing that Musk is effectively building an independent technological superpower within the United States. A former Pentagon official told journalists that the combination of satellite communications, autonomous systems, robots, and AI chips could have not only commercial, but also military implications. And that is indeed logical, because an AI system capable of controlling millions of autonomous devices inevitably becomes a strategic technology. Against this backdrop, the development of the Grok project looks particularly interesting. For a long time, many dismissed it as just another catch-up chatbot. But inside xAI, according to leaks, Grok is seen as the central intelligence of Musk's entire future ecosystem. Not just an AI assistant, but the core that will manage Optimus robots, robotaxis, satellite networks, Starlink infrastructure, and possibly future Tesla factory control systems. Some insiders claim that xAI is already training new versions of Grok on massive Tesla video datasets. This means the AI is beginning to understand motion physics, object behavior, people, cities, and the real world itself. And if this is combined with millions of robots, it creates a system capable of learning from literally everything happening on the planet. A separate question is the cost of such chips. According to analysts, a single next-generation AI accelerator could cost tens of thousands of dollars. Some estimates range from $30,000 to $70,000 per unit. But the real issue is different. Even if you have the money, not everyone will be able to buy these chips. Industry sources claim that Musk may reserve the most powerful versions exclusively for internal xAI and Tesla infrastructure, while selling downgraded versions to external clients through cloud AI services. This is where a potential new Silicon Valley war begins, because if Musk truly develops more powerful AI accelerators, NVIDIA could lose some of its largest customers. Already today, Amazon, Microsoft, Google, and Meta are trying to build their own AI chips, but none have fully replaced NVIDIA yet. If Musk succeeds, the balance of power in the industry could shift dramatically. It is also interesting how Musk plans to manufacture these chips. According to some technology analysts, xAI is in talks with TSMC to expand production of new AI accelerators on the most advanced process nodes. But in parallel, an even more ambitious scenario is being discussed, gradually building an in-house manufacturing chain within the United States. Some sources claim that terafab may include not only data centers, but also elements of automated AI hardware production. And if Tesla truly integrates Optimus robots into its factories, Musk could accelerate AI system production using robots themselves controlled by AI. This creates an almost surreal picture. AI chips are designed by AI, manufactured by robots, train new AI systems, and control new robots. A closed-loop system of technological acceleration. That is why some experts already compare what is happening to the beginning of a new industrial revolution. But alongside the excitement, fear is also growing. Some AI safety researchers warn that concentrating such computational power in the hands of a single company could be dangerous, especially if that company simultaneously controls satellite communications, robots, transportation, a social network, and its own AI model. One security expert told journalists that if you combine Tesla, xAI, Starlink, and SpaceX into a single system, it is no longer a corporation, but the technological infrastructure of civilization. And the most striking part is that Musk himself seems to fully understand this risk. He has warned for years about the dangers of artificial intelligence, yet now it appears he may be the first to attempt building a planetary-scale AI system. Some see this as hypocrisy. Others see it as the only way to avoid losing the race to China and OpenAI. Because today the AI race is no longer just a technological competition, it is a struggle for control over the future of economics, information, robotics, transportation, and even space. And if the rumors about Musk's new AI chips are even partially true, the world may indeed be approaching a moment where one ecosystem gains an advantage that competitors cannot catch for years. The most alarming aspect is that much of this infrastructure is already being built right now. While ordinary people discuss the latest smartphone updates and new chatbot features, the world's largest corporations are effectively creating digital superpowers. And judging by the volume of leaks, data center construction, GPU procurement, and xAI activity, Elon Musk may be preparing for the most massive technological leap of his career. And this is where the situation becomes even more tense, because in recent weeks, new leaks have begun to emerge that have forced analysts to literally revise their forecasts regarding the future of xAI and Tesla. According to several tech bloggers and former NVIDIA employees, the industry is already discussing not just a new Musk AI chip, but a full next-generation computing platform, allegedly codenamed XN Core. Some sources claim this project is being developed under strict secrecy, and that its main goal is not to catch up with NVIDIA, but to render current GPU architectures obsolete within a few years. What is most interesting is that discussions about XN Core are reportedly coinciding with a sharp increase in Tesla's hiring activity in photonic computing, neuromorphic systems, and ultra-fast memory interfaces. All of this looks as if Musk is indeed preparing a technology meant to change the very principles of how artificial intelligence works. Some insiders claim that the new architecture will be designed not only for training language models, but also for simulating the real world. This is extremely important, because this is where the main limitation of AI development currently lies. Modern models can generate text, images, and video, but they still poorly understand the physics of the surrounding world. They do not live in reality. They do not perceive space, mass, motion, material resistance, or the complex mechanics of human behavior. Tesla, however, has a unique advantage: billions of kilometers of real-world driving data. And if this is combined with Optimus robots that will learn in the physical world, it becomes possible to create an AI that thinks not like a chatbot, but like a digital entity capable of understanding its environment at something close to a human level. According to SemiAnalysis, this is precisely why Musk is so aggressively scaling xAI's computing capacity. Sources claim that the company is already discussing plans to build a distributed AI system in which Tesla, xAI, and Starlink data centers will be connected into a single network. Some engineers call it a digital nervous system. Imagine an infrastructure where millions of Teslas around the world continuously send data to the cloud. Optimus robots learn new actions. Starlink satellites ensure instant data transmission, and Grok analyzes everything in real time. In effect, this is no longer just an AI company. It is an attempt to build an artificial intelligence at planetary scale. What especially surprises analysts is the speed at which Musk is moving in this direction. According to Bloomberg sources, not long ago, xAI was considered a relatively small player compared to OpenAI and Google. But now, the situation is starting to change. Silicon Valley investors increasingly say that Musk has the most aggressive and most risky AI plan in the world. While OpenAI focuses on digital assistants and Google focuses on integrating AI into search and services, Musk is trying to embed artificial intelligence into the entire infrastructure of civilization itself. Cars, robots, factories, satellites, energy systems, and even space. That is why there is so much discussion around terafab. According to unconfirmed information, within xAI, this project is viewed as the brain of a future civilization. Some sources claim that terafab will consist of massive modular computing blocks, each capable of functioning as an autonomous AI cluster. These complexes are allegedly being designed for extreme power consumption and will be directly connected to Tesla's Megapack energy systems and solar stations. In other words, Musk is trying to solve even the energy problem of artificial intelligence. And this is already a strategic advantage, because many experts believe that within a few years the main constraint in the AI race will not be chips, but electricity. And here another reason becomes clear for why Musk is so actively developing Tesla Energy. Many people have long considered solar panels and Megapack a secondary business within Tesla. But analysts are now beginning to understand that all of this may be part of one massive system, because future AI supercomputers will require a staggering amount of energy. Some forecasts suggest that a single next-generation AI cluster could consume more electricity than entire countries. And if Musk manages to combine energy production, energy storage, and AI infrastructure, he will become virtually independent of external constraints. Against this backdrop, rumors that new xAI AI chips could train models several times faster than existing NVIDIA systems look especially interesting. Some insiders claim that the main focus is on video data processing efficiency, and this is directly tied to Tesla and Optimus. The thing is that video is one of the most computationally demanding types of information for AI. Modern neural networks spend enormous resources analyzing moving objects, space, and time. But if Musk succeeds in creating an architecture specifically optimized for video and real-world simulation, it would give xAI a massive advantage. Some analysts believe this is why Grok in the future may become not just a chatbot, but a full digital brain for Tesla robots. Imagine millions of Optimus units connected to a unified AI system. One robot learns a new action. Within seconds, all others know it too. One robot encounters a dangerous situation. The entire network is instantly updated. This already resembles collective intelligence rather than traditional robotics. And this is exactly what many experts are beginning to fear. Because if such a system works at full scale, it could reshape the global labor market faster than anyone expects. According to some economists, mass deployment of humanoid robots could transform the economy within a single decade. Robots would be able to work 24/7, require no vacations, never get sick, and continuously improve through AI updates. And if they are powered by computing capacity on the level of terafab, they would become smarter at an extraordinary pace. Some former Tesla employees claim that the company has long been discussing scenarios in which Optimus becomes the most widely deployed product in human history. Not cars, not smartphones, but humanoid robots. And if that is true, it becomes clear why Musk needs his own AI chips. Because controlling millions of robots through someone else's infrastructure is impossible. He must control the entire stack, from hardware to artificial intelligence. Some investors even compare the current situation to the beginning of the internet era in the 1990s. Back then, many did not understand how quickly digital technologies would transform the world. Today, history may be repeating itself, except instead of the internet, humanity is getting planetary-scale artificial intelligence. And judging by xAI's activity, Elon Musk intends to become the main architect of this new era.